1. Dangerous holiday light installations. Eliminates the risks of climbing ladders and handling lights manually by having factory-trained technicians install a permanent system. 2. Weather-damaged outdoor lights. Provides a durable lighting system that withstands rain, snow, heat, and storms without frequent replacements. 3. Dark and unsafe entryways. Brightens walkways, doorways, and shadowy zones to improve safety and ease of access for guests. 4. Last-minute event lighting. Offers instant mood-matching colors and patterns, eliminating last-minute setup hassles. 5. Inconsistent business lighting. Delivers reliable brand-consistent lighting every night to enhance professionalism and curb appeal. 6. Constant manual adjustments. Enables automated lighting schedules via the Trimlight Edge app, removing repetitive manual changes. 7. Dimly lit walkways and driveways allows customizable spacing of LEDs to ensure safe, even illumination across paths and driveways. 8. Frequent light replacements. Uses IP68 rated, long-lasting LED bulbs that reduce the need for ongoing replacements. 9. Missed holiday displays makes full seasonal decor as easy as selecting a preset in the app. No ladders or cords required. 10. Frustrating DIY installations. Avoids tangled wires and misalignments by relying on professional seamless installations. 11. Poor lighting for outdoor gatherings. Lets you quickly customize lighting and brightness to set the perfect ambiance for gatherings. 12. Ineffective security camera footage. Enhances security footage clarity by providing even bright lighting around your property. 13. Unattractive storefronts at night. Draws attention to your business after dark with bold, custom lighting displays. 14. Missed opportunities to highlight promotions. Helps you spotlight promotions using eye-catching color changes timed perfectly via scheduling. 15. Multiple lighting systems for different needs. Consolidates holiday and security lighting into one app-controlled switchable system. 16. Poor visibility in harsh weather. Ensures consistent visibility through rain, fog, or snow with weather-resistant lighting. 17. Lack of community engagement in public spaces. Enables communal participation in public space lighting by letting people vote on themes or colors. 18. Unsafe pool areas at night. Illuminates pool cages and surrounding areas to help prevent accidents and improve visibility. 19. Outdated lighting systems. Replaces old static lighting with modern, app-driven RGB LEDs that can adapt to any season or event. 20. Missed opportunities for creative displays. Empowers creative design with extensive color and pattern customization options.